Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my baby, sending action. These days no kumaye, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty nigga, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner, till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner, till I D.I.E.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my